Hello guys, it is me, Patrick the Star here, and today I am here playing Bird Runners. Yes, I'm playing a game which is a fake version of Gorrila Tag. Oh, sorry, that's a terrible. Let me get this. Yes, I'm sorry, Jamin Curly, but I have no other way of just. I have no idea how to get ideas. So I'm sorry, Jamin Curly, for this. If you're gonna watch this video, or either if you're gonna find this, I'm really sorry. I just know have other way. I literally run out of content. I'm sorry, bro. Oh, look at that. Look at my hands. It's like tridents. It's like little forks. Like yummy. Ooh. Give me that. Oh, that's how you pick up. Sorry. I play this game. That's cool music. That was terrible. Where'd I go? Oh, sorry. Anyways, let's just get with the game. I'm going to delete that. What do I do? To play, reach your hand behind your back. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh, yeah. Okay. Why is it glitching? Oh.
Hello, and welcome to Bird Runners.
I didn't even play
this
tutorial.
Will go through the basics of the game.
Bro. Wait. Can I fly? Hold on, let me try this. I can't do it. Let's just play. Oh my god.
This game has flap mechanics. You can hold down the A button to flap your hand.
I could just do this, like. There you go. Look at me, Dad. I'm flying. Good job, son. I don't know what I just did there. Oh. How do I look? Wait. Oh, do I just... What do you mean? Wait, what's it? Oh. Oh, look at that. Whee! Oh, look at this. Whee! Oh, look at it. Wait. Oh yeah, that's Flappy Bird. Let's do this. Look at that. Cool. Oh, sorry. Oh, I can't even see my arms. I can't even see it. Alright. Ooh! Oh, oh, wait. Ooh! Ooh! Okay. I cannot see my hands, which is really annoying. Oh, no. That. No. Okay, I'm doing this. No. Start. There you go. Okay. Oh, you can change your color. Ooh, that's cool. Color. Oh, you can choose. Oh my god. Wait, I'm choosing that one. Hold on. Hello? Tell me what I look like. Back to start. What does that mean? Oh. What does this mean? Wait. No. Press. No. Oh, I did. Let me just play already. Okay, I know this is online. Oh wait, this beach. Oh. Wait. Oh no, sorry. I forgot to flap. What's through here? And this is beach. I don't. Yo guys, this is a new map of Bird Run. Oh, it's actually way cooler than I thought it would be. Sandcastle. I'm flying. There. It's ball. Look at this. Oh, you can hit it. Right, let me try to punch it. Punch. Punch. Did I do it? Hey, Emma. Yeah. I'm gonna have to edit that one out. Sorry, just saying hi to my mother. Well, my stepmother. Whee! This is fun. Oh, got stuck. I'm gonna go in the water. Alright, this is cool. Look, I can just fly. Look, I can see the wall. Yeah, this is very fun. Alright, I'm gonna rate this game at least like a 5 out of 10. Like, I know this is the first game and it's kind of a bit harsh, but the graphics, yeah, look at this. But honestly, I like how they added the slide the water. And look at this. Who doesn't find this fun? Look at this. They even added little moss, like. And also this is stretched out. Oh look, you can actually play Flappy Bird. Current. Wait, what's that mean? Oh yeah, there is. If you can't connect to room, use me. Okay. I'm just gonna have that. Jerry the one. Okay. Jerry. Preston Watson. Okay. Why can I not see myself? So just go back and just enter. I don't know what I'm meant to do. But yeah, this is fun. Oh, let me go try Bouncy House one more last. Let me try this. And then the floors level. And then I'll just buy another game. Or get one. Oh, this is so cool. What if I bounce high? No, I want to bounce high. Like, and then just, yeah, it doesn't work. Oh, I'm gonna try floors lava. And this, or have I been through here? No, I haven't. I've been through that one. This is different. Been to the Flappy Bird. Oh, look at this. It's like platforms. Wait a minute. Can't I just... Oh no, it's disabled. Oh no, I can actually fly. I can actually fly. Okay. This is not as hard. I could just go in here. And then go in here. Whee. Oh, this is very hard. Ooh. No, no. Fly. Please. Yeah, okay. I can't really do it. Wait, I'm gonna have to try one more time. If I can't, then I'll be considered as the worst Gorrila Tag player. No, I'm just kidding. Oh. No! Wait, can I just... Wait. Would it just make sense if I could just wall run, like... Yeah, I could just be there, easy. I'm just hoping to land on the platform. Look, I could just... This. I could just beat it easy. And just... Oh. You thought... Oh. Oh. Oh no, it slides. What is a slide? Oh. Wait. Oh. Come on. No, no, no. Oh. Yeah, that's easy. Look, I could just... No. Oh, yes. Oh. I did. Just, yes. Dang it. Oh, that's scary. What is this slip? No. Okay. No, I'm gonna have to try. I'm not giving up this time. No, I'm not giving up. No. Yes. No. Come on, I was so close. I just fell off for no reason. No. I give up. Okay. No, I'm just kidding, I don't give up. But I really want to do this for my fans! And my friend Mason. No! Why did I fail? You know what? Yeah. This is a very good game. Just really like. So I watched Jamin Curly's video for like just a bit, and he well, what did he play? He played like Bird Runners. Then he played. Oh, there was like. I did play Gorrila Runners, which was the first Gorrila Tag. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. Okay, then we're gonna go back to teach my little cousin how to play Gorrila Tag now. Oh, let me go back. So I'm going to Gorrila Tag. Hey, ma'am. I know. Okay, I'm just recording a video. Oh, actually, I'm just gonna stop recording. Wait, what was the button there? You know what? I think I'm just gonna leave this video. Never mind. I'm just gonna do this next time. Probably, I don't know. But at least I made a video. At least I did. Oh, why is my video so glitchy? Oh, stop. Did I done it? Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna see you later. Alright, goodbye. Also, please like and subscribe because I have 0 and I have like 4 videos. And yeah, I know it doesn't probably make any sense to my future self if I make a video about like, oh, I'm gonna react to like my oldest video. Ooh. Maybe. But yeah. And goodbye. Wait. Why am I still recording? Ah, that's how you do it. Oh, sorry. So I'm going to edit that one out. Yeah, I'm good. Should I? No. Okay. Goodbye.